Hi everybody, this is Aarti from Only Pattani and I'm here to show you the new collection. We are having this time some bright jewel tones as well as some pastels. So I just wanted to give you a preview of what the new collection is of. I'll start you off with, we are having all pure silk Patanis today. Starting you off with one of the most popular Patani color, the Patani color, which is a beautiful bright purple magenta shade and with pink borders. Very tiny flower buttas on this one and a lovely pallu with these like we have the Konya or the Konya Paisley buttas. We have the Konya peacocks on this Patani, and this is how the pallu looks like. Very colorful, bright pallu on a tissue base. All the saris of course come with a matching blouse piece. Most of the Patanis you will see come with running blouse pieces. But of course if you want to match them with contrast or brocade blouses, they absolutely look stunning. Next I have is a lovely fuchsia pink with contrast green borders and chakra buttas on this one. A beautiful pallu of 2 pairs of peacocks and some floral motifs as well, again on a tissue base, and a nice bright color. So these are will be perfect for your festivals as well as weddings. Another beautiful shade of blue. This is like a deep navy or a cobalt blue with a hint of purple in it. Like purple is not too defined, but it's more blue with these brick red borders, and this is the pallu on this one. An absolute gorgeous piece, a beautiful color, very deep and rich, and very tiny flower buttas on this one. And this is the pallu. Yeah, the pallu is entirely hand woven. So you can see the front of the pallu. This is the front of the pallu, and this is the back of the pallu. So this is the gold standard in identifying a Patani. Is you just have to turn around the Patani and see if your front matches with the back. And this is all possible because it is entirely hand woven without any guide. A beautiful pink tone again. Traditional borders and traditional pallu as well. This traditional pallu, when I say, is basically 7 pairs of peacock placed in this circular manner, and an extra line of peacocks as well woven in zari. A very like a medium soft yet bright tone of pink, and again pink borders. Look absolutely beautiful. I think if you pair this one with a very contrast bottle green or something, it will look definitely stunning. Though this all the saris, like I said, come with matching blouse pieces, and the blouse pieces are very rarely contrast. Most of the Patanis that you will get will be with running blouse pieces. And yes, they do look absolutely traditional. Showing you some of the pastels from the current collection. So this one is a beautiful soft turquoise with pinkish mauve borders. And this one is from the Sonarupa collection. The Sonarupa collection has zari in gold as well as silver. So if you see the borders, you will see it has alternating lines of gold and silver, and the buttas are also in gold and silver. This is the sari, and this is the gorgeous pallu on this one. Something very different. The motifs are derived on this one from some very old Patanis where the peacocks were not very common and the floral geometric designs were more common. So this is the pallu. Very beautiful understated design on the pallu. Then we have here is a sea green with pink borders. This is the sari, and look at the beautiful pallu on this one. This has multiple peacocks in different colors, and the border brings out a beautiful contrast. And here's the pallu. Going ahead with the pastels, next we have is a lovely tone of baby pink, like very close to the dress that I'm wearing in fact today, but in silk, so it has its shine. So this is in pure silk, baby pink. One of the suggestions would be to pair this with a contrast blouse again. You can pick any color from the palla and I'm sure it will look great. This is the pallu. And this is how the sari would look like. The buttas are chakra buttas. The buttas on the most of the petinis are concentrated towards the pallu and then it goes a bit far away. The buttas are woven a bit far away from each other as we go in the pleats section. Next we have is a beautiful mint color, a lovely pastel mint tone, and this one has a nut pallu on a red base, not on a tissue base. So the palla is, because it's not tissue, it is comparatively very lightweight. And here's the sari. I love the tone of the sari. The buttas on this one are very delicately woven peacock buttas and a pretty pink border. This is how the sari would look like. The next one we have is, I'm sorry, give me a minute. Yeah, here's the pallu. So it has the blouse piece attached to the pallu and beautiful, beautiful purple magenta color. And the borders on this one are like very traditional, the rich borders that we call them as. Peacocks and parrots on the border. Peacocks woven on the sari body as well. And they go all over the sari if you see. Also if you see the pallu is very traditionally woven and complements the border very well. Parrots and peacocks extremely neatly woven on the pallu. All these saris are already available on the website, or if they're not, they will be up in a few hours. So you'll be able to see them on the website. You can always DM us or WhatsApp us on the number. Our number is 9833767750. So if you have any queries, you need additional pictures, you can always message us, reach out to us. So this is how the sari looks like. We have another color in so the borders will be used for the sleeves. Again, like I was talking about, entirely hand-woven motifs on this sari as well. So you can see the border also is completely hand-woven. Like from far away, you won't be even able to make out what is the front from the back. So that's the beauty of a hand-woven pattern. And so the same goes for the pallu as well. Each buta is also hand-woven. So that's it for today. We will come back with some more patterns for you very soon. And I hope you are taking good care of yourself. The coronavirus has been troubling us to no end, and I really hope everybody at home is safe and sound. And I pray that all of us, come out of this very, very quickly. So please take care of yourselves and stay at home as much as possible. We have been doing all the deliveries from our Bangalore store as of now. Deliveries as of now are not affected. If they do, we will let you know, but right now things are on track. Apart from that, if you're looking for any queries, any questions that you may have, please reach out to us. If you want help in identifying a pure Paithani, please reach out to us. We will definitely help you with that. That's it for today. About the dress that I'm wearing today, it's again from the Handloom Studio. So you can, the Handloom Studio is our other website for Jamdani dresses. Right now it's for, we have a capsule collection of Jamdani dresses, tunics and tops. So one of them is what I'm wearing today. You can definitely go have a look at that as well for the summer which is on us, and you can shop for comfortable summer wear over there. So thank you for your time, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye and take care.